Get high-paying jobs in AWS Cloud even as a beginner with no experience or coding knowledge. I know it sounds too good to be true, but let me tell you something. This can be your reality. Meet Tolu. He knew cloud is the future but was hesitant as he wasn't from a tech background and knew nothing about coding. Like many of us at early stage, it all felt tough at start and never thought he would master it. But something clicked. Tolu started to believe that the world of AWS Cloud wasn't out of his reach. He believed that with the right guidance, anyone could make a career change, no matter their background. And that belief led him to land a high-paying job in AWS Cloud in just a few months without any coding experience. Here's the truth. If you don't believe that it's possible for you, you'll keep thinking that you need to learn complex programming languages, it's too late to start, or you're just not techie enough. But that's simply not true. Maybe you have had a career break or feel stuck in a job that isn't fulfilling. Maybe you have been waiting for the perfect moment. And guess what? That was Tolu, Kwame, Meghna, and so many others just like you who were once on the edge, not sure if they could make the switch, but they did. What did they have that made all this difference? First, the right guidance, then the right tools and a roadmap to follow. Now, we want to give you that exact same roadmap. So we are running a free interactive session that could be the turning point for your career in AWS Cloud. In this session, we'll walk you through why learning cloud now is the smartest move you can make, how to break into AWS Cloud even without coding experience, what to put on your CV to start getting interview calls, and how to prepare for interviews so you can land your dream job. 9 common mistakes that are holding you back and how to avoid them. And a step-by-step roadmap to go from complete beginner to getting a job in AWS Cloud, including 50 plus hands-on labs, 10 real-time projects to add on your CV, resume preparation, interview question and answers, and mock interviews. So if you're feeling stuck or unsure about your next step, this session will show you exactly what works. It's simple, clear, and no fluff. Just practical advice and strategies. So you just need to take that first step and believe that a high-paying AWS job is possible for you. So click the link in the description below, book your seats, and let's get started. We'll see you there.